ma ana m ebe yule Edochie nọ na-abaro Rufai Useni na-aba na-agbọ na-agbọrị na-eti na-amakasị anya na-amakasị imi na-amakasị Rufai o jikwa dị stubborn, Rufai o jikwa dị rude, Rufai o jikwa wụrụ rubbish man, Rufai o jikwa na-asọpụrụ mmadụ, Rufai o jikwa ọmahụ journalism, Rufai o jikwa onye kụziri journalism, Rufai Rufai that, Rufai this, Rufai that. Yule Edochie rijuo ọnụ. Do you know what it takes for somebody to pass through the crucibles of journalism? Do you know what it takes for somebody to maintain his integrity as a journalist? The journalist in the kage. Na amagharị isi ebe emafu ebe na amagharị politicians la amagharị mama ihe na-achọ. As young as you are, mama ihe na-achọ at your age. At your age, mama ihe ọzọ na-achọ. You have fame, you have money, you have everything. Mama ihe na-achọ. You think it is very, very, very easy for journalists in Nigeria they actually maintain integrity, have to maintain it. And you think that journalists in that they can Rufai when they are against the habitara na their show and I share habati akete. One day you will match him with facts and figures. That is it. That is what journalism means. You cannot bring somebody to your show. That is why we have got it all wrong in this country. We pet sin. We pet criminals in this Nigeria. I pet in the ocean. As a journalist, if somebody comes to your show to lie, one day match here with facts and figures. You know, match here the person with facts and figures. And of course, journalist Rufai Useni will never allow you to mess him up in his show by lying to his face and lying to the world. If I hear on a man on a right TV, I shall go to fan, I shall go worldwide, I shall go viral. You let Edochie when him and journalism. Do you know anything about journalism? The only thing him out to defend because him and onye agbarụla anwụ bụ onye silo onye otugu onye patigu maka na o nwere ihe na-achọ, o nwere ihe na-achọ na Aso Rock, o nwere ihe na-achọ na Aso Rock amanye di gị Yule Edochie ka m gwa gị ya ihe ahụ ị na-achọ na Aso Rock ị gaghị ahụ ya lai ọkwa contract kotorigba ị gaghị ahụ shishi ị gaghị ahụ afọ ị gaghị ahụ tọrọ ị gaghị. The only thing you do to them one boy, then they will be using you, they will be using your popularity, you know, to be seeking for validation. That's it. Onwe ọzọ ha ya senye gị ego mmanya, you know, chọrọ gị nkwobi ita ya ba na o nwere ihe na-achọ na Aso Rock la ga-enye gị foul. So stop talking to Rufai like that. One day you have. You are not intellectually able and intellectually capacitated, you know, like him. You want a capacity intellectually like Rufai. Rufai will match you fact with fact, figures by figures. You cannot come to his show and lie. And you can come to his show and lie and you go free. Itaraji ego ị ga-eji abịa na show Rufai ma otu ọ nọ na gị bịa na my show as a radio presenter gị bịa na my show bịa share. Exactly ihe mere Rufai na that man ihe mere mụ na one commissioner of Imo State on radio. The man came to be lying. Ejikwa akwụchala ụgwọ ndị ọrụ, akwụchakwala pension, onweghị ndị eji ụgwọ, o jikwa ndị opposition si na-eji ụgwọ, this and that, and I matched the man figure by figure, fact by fact, about the man. Here you look at the man. You're not supposed to be a journalist. If you employ this as a journalist, you're not supposed to be a journalist because we are matching you people with the truth. That will continue to match you people with the truth. So you will make sure God will rejoice on by try by Rufai. Try rejoice on there. And I Rufai. Oh, the somebody can Rufai Hussein, we didn't hear most of us can not run this profession. Because I know yes, only can on a national equality, can on a state equality. That is why we are still here. And that is why we will never back down. Because each other getting na yeah, you pass the army you nga bag perfume. You Edochie. Adiego. You Luriensu. Rijensiano. Tag you. In about Rufai. Sorry, in about Rufai Hussein. My senior colleague.